If you're a knitter who loves knitting blankets and throws, you need to check out these gorgeous Lion brand kits. First, there's the Block Blanket by Knits Apparel. It's a beginner pattern that uses 4 different colors of Hue and Me yarn, which is a bulky weight yarn. So if you're looking for a blanket that works up quickly, this is it. Next up is the absolutely stunning Painted Sky blanket by Mama in a Stitch. You might be shocked to know that this project only uses a few skeins of Mandala ombre yarn, but as you can tell, it works up beautifully. Stunning ombre yarn like this always pairs perfectly with simple stitches. Let's not forget the Checkmate Throw by Yarn Hook Needles. This charming blanket uses 2 colors of Chenille Appeal yarn, and with all the fabulous color options, the combinations are endless. Last but certainly not least, we have the aptly named Sunshine Throw by Cozy Nooks Designs. This intermediate pattern is sure to bring a ray of light to any room using 2 colors of Basic Stitch antimicrobial yarn. Links to all the kits can be found as a pinned comment below, and they're currently on sale, so hurry up!